Looking for the CVC security number and expiration date on your Cash App card, but don't have the physical card with you? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find it right inside the Cash App, step by step. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu bar and tap the card icon. This takes you to the Cash Card section. You'll see your virtual cash card displayed on screen, but notice that the numbers are blurred out for security. Here's the trick. Simply look for the small eye icon or three-dot menu at the top of the card display and tap it. Cash App will then ask for your 4-digit cash PIN. This is to make sure it's really you accessing the card details. After you enter your PIN, your full card information will be revealed, including the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and yes, the CVV or CVC security code you're looking for. This is super helpful when you need to make online purchases or verify your card, but don't have the physical card on hand. Plus, the whole process is protected by your PIN, so no one else can see your card details without authorization. And that's it. You now know exactly how to locate your Cash App card's CVV and expiration date in just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and check out my other Cash App videos for even more tips.